Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Street X, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the red button for a few seconds. And once you see the Polar logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to our phone and download and install the Polar Flow application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on the search button, tap or rather type in Polar Flow, tap on search, and you should see this application. Install it. Okay, once the application is done installing, you can open it, accept, tap on OK, tap on allow, and now you should see the login page. And if you don't have an account, you can always create a new one by tapping on create account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, and then enter the email address and password. So give me a few seconds. Okay, and after you log in and you don't have any devices connected to your account, you will see this page. And now we can enter the pairing mode on our watch. And my watch is it's been reset to the factory default settings. That's why you see the list of languages on the screen after you turn it on. And what you need to do, if you're in this situation, you need to tap on the language you like. And once you select the language, it will ask you if you want to set up the PIN code. I'm gonna skip it. Okay, and now it will ask you how you want to set up your watch, and you have three options. We have on your watch, on computer, and on your phone. We want to pair the watch with a phone, so we're gonna select on your phone. The watch will enter pairing mode. That's how it looks like, and the app should detect your watch. And once it does, you can tap on start, allow, then tap on pair, press the middle button to confirm. Here we have the question about controlling the music. So if you want to use your watch to control the music on your phone, allow the required permissions. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel. I'm gonna allow it and allow it. If you see this, you can also allow the permission for the location. It's not required, but the app will bother you about it, unfortunately. As you can see, this bar won't disappear, and the button to go further is under this bar. And we could close the app and reopen it. I'm just gonna tap on OK and allow the permission because it will bother me all the time. Even now, it wants the access for all the time, which is very annoying, but that's how it works nowadays. So we can set up some settings for your watch, like time format, preferred wrist, language, and preferred sleep time. Then you can tap on Save and Sync. And then we can tap on Skip. We don't need introduction. And now you should see your watch right here in the app. And if you go to Menu, Devices, you will see it right here. It will take a while for it to sync. And once it's done, it should be ready to use. And you can basically, you know that the devices are paired together. Also, there is an example of pairing the watch after it's been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. You can only set it up either on the computer, or you can just use the watch itself and set it up manually, basically. And after you set up the watch, you can also pair it with a phone. You don't need to reset it. And to do that, you need to enter the pairing mode, but it's really taking a long time for it to sync. And I want to show you how to enter the pairing mode through the settings, so you can pair your watch through the settings as well. Okay, it's done. And if your watch is already set up and you want to pair it, you need to open the settings by pressing the lower button, scroll down and find the settings and tap on it. And here tap on General Settings, and then Pair and Sync, and then Pair and Sync Phone. The watch will enter the pairing mode, and then app should detect your watch. If it doesn't, you can always reopen it, go to Devices, and it should detect the watch. Also, if you have already devices connected to your account, you can tap one more Options icon and then Get Started with a new device. And now you will see this page, and it should detect your watch, and it should be fine to go on. Okay, and basically that's about all. That's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.